Hey, watch this important video. My friend Ryan Levesque just announced his Quiz Masterclass. You're going to get access to a brand new quiz funnel training, brand new software, and over $20,000 in bonuses. I'm also going to be throwing in additional bonuses. Watch the rest of this video. Trust me, it's going to be worth thousands of extra dollars for you. And if you're considering joining the Ryan Levesque training, you're going to want to watch the rest of this video right now. This video is timely and critical. The reason is the Quiz Funnel Masterclass closes enrollment on June 28th at midnight. So please watch this video carefully and closely for all the details on how you're going to save big right now and grab all of my additional bonuses. So a lot of people ask me, well, who is this exactly for? Well, imagine this. Could you build your business on the back of a quiz? I mean, there's never been a better time to start growing your business with this competitive advantage. It doesn't matter if it's e-commerce, digital products, coaching, consulting, agency, freelancing, high-ticket programs, selling via webinar, product launches. I mean, I generated a ton of leads using surveys, actually, to have a lot of people just watch this webinar. I use this all the time in my business, and especially for the agency clients that we have. The other thing is, it doesn't matter if you're a local business, a large multinational company, it doesn't matter. Even a complete beginner can use quizzes. I've mentioned before in other videos, I've known Ryan for over 6 years now. Actually, we were one of the first 5 people to ever do a webinar with Ryan. Well, during that time that I've known Ryan, I've been able to grow my personal email list because of some of Ryan's strategies to over 50,000 people. It pales in comparison because during that same amount of time, look what Ryan did for his businesses. And this is something that you can do as well too. Watch this. Ryan's used quiz funnels to enter 23 weird market niches. Anything from scalable tile jewelry, orchid care, memory improvement, water filtration, satellite TV, fish oil supplements, flea removal, and more. I mean, in just 18 months, Ryan was making $24,275 a month. 3 years later, $117,604 a month. I mean, there's the screenshot right there. Just using quiz funnels from the time that I've known Ryan, they've generated over $32 million in 4.1 million email subscribers over the last 5 years. As I mentioned, over the last 5 years, we've been able to build an email list of 50,000 people we're really grateful for. But I'll tell you one thing, I really missed the boat, and I cannot wait to be implementing more of the Ask method to hit this kind of large reach for our list as well too. Join me, come with me, watch this. Now let's go over the top 5 reasons why quiz funnels are so effective. Reason number 1. Incredibly cheap leads. When you're paying for traffic, the less you pay per lead, the more leads you can get. I'll even show you personally how I used a quiz inside of the ads to lead people into the quiz funnel. We use this all the time. I'll even give you access to my case study of how we produced 92,233 leads in just 21 days for under 50 cents. Some of that using quizzes as well too. Watch this. Reason number 2, incredibly high converting. Not only can you get cheap leads, you can double or triple your sales conversion rate. When you know more about your audience, you can even custom your copy and your offer based on the answers to increase the percentage of people who buy. Reason number 3, incredibly high volume. Not only are you paying less per lead, you can also drive a lot more volume because people love taking quizzes. Businesses moving to quiz funnels grow their list by 10 times to 80 times because the volume of leads a strategy can provide. Reason number 4, incredibly valuable data. A quiz funnel lets you gather more information about your leads and customers that lets you build a database and increase the value of your list and your business, making an attractive prospect for bigger companies to acquire your business. Better sell, better serve. You win, but most importantly, your customer wins because you're delivering the best content, product, and offer that's customized to their solution. Just like I always say, especially with the BELT method, this is exactly what we talk about in the BELT method. We want to find the right person at the right time. When you work with Ryan, especially with his quiz funnels, you're going to be working with the right person at the right time with the right message. And there's so many different ways to retarget that right message through email, through online ads and retargeting. Just keep watching this video to find out more. By the way, and this works with all types of niches and markets online. It doesn't matter if you're selling just one product or service, a few products, a whole bunch of products, whether people in your market have different challenges or different solutions or at different steps in the journey. It doesn't matter if people want to buy your product, watch your sales video, attend your webinar, sign up for your program, book an appointment, read or watch your content, join your group. This can be used for so many different areas in your business. So a lot of people ask, if quizzes are so awesome, why doesn't everyone build one? Well, there's really three things that hold people back. Ryan talks about this all the time. The strategy. They don't know exactly what the strategy should be. The big idea, the questions, what order do you put them in, the technology. Finding the right tool, having the right templates, creating pages that convert, and even building out your own quiz. And there you go, implementation. How do you make sure the tech works? The Facebook pixel, how are you segmenting people in your email or for ads? Tracking and tagging, how does that whole thing work? Well, what if you could have step-by-step training by some of the world's top experts, advanced quiz software, plus have Ryan and his team build your quizzes for you? I mean, it's almost an IQ test. Watch how simple he makes this. Ryan Levesque just introduced his QUIZ Funnel Masterclass. It's a complete solution to your quiz funnel built because essentially this team's going to do it for you. So here's what you're going to get. The QUIZ Funnel Masterclass. It's a $5,000 value. Now, the QUIZ Funnel Masterclass is a 6-week step-by-step training taking you through the entire process of creating your quiz funnel, start to finish. The QUIZ Funnel Masterclass is a 6-week step-by-step training taking you through the entire process of creating a quiz funnel from start to finish. Ryan has never, ever taught this before online. He taught this one time in a live event that was $5,000 that was in Austin, Texas. He has not taught this at all anywhere online. So some people ask, well, what about the ask method? I've heard some of these other strategies. During the ask method, quizzes are only talked about for only a small little portion. This is a brand new training you do not want to miss as this is released to the world. When you click the link below, you'll get more details on exactly what's contained inside of this masterclass. But let me show you this. The QUIZ Funnel Masterclass training also includes live Q&A calls, live funnel reviews, checklists and templates, ultimate swipe file, private Facebook group, plus lifetime access. Here's the deal. When you join today, you're also going to get 3 exclusive bonuses valued at over $10,000. I'm also going to throw in over $3,000 worth of bonuses, so pay attention to this video. Trust me, time is limited. So bonus number 1 from Ryan, software. You're going to get the Bucket 2.0 Enterprise. This is a value at $4,500. This is going to get early access to the brand new Bucket.io 2.0 software. The quiz funnel technology. You're going to absolutely love this. So let's take a look what you're going to get. Bucket Canvas, Page Builder. I mean, really, again, when you click on the link, you're going to see all the details. You're also going to get integrations with, I mean, there are hundreds of different integrations that you can use this with. And one of the amazing things is you use Zapier. It's almost unlimited what you can do. And analytics. Again, I've never seen anything like this before. Bonus number 2, traffic. It's Quiz Traffic Secrets Training, valued at $2,500. Now, Ryan's going to take you through Facebook quiz funnels, Google quiz funnels, Instagram quiz funnels, YouTube quiz funnels, LinkedIn quiz funnels. I'm also going to show you directly what I've used to drive leads for my own quiz funnels too. It's one of my bonuses, but I'll explain more in the next couple of moments. By the way, here's just a taste of what they're going to cover in the bonus training that Ryan's going to give you. Free versus paid traffic, how to structure your quiz funnel properly, how to make sure you set up the copy and the hook right, how you come up with your own images. He's going to go over this step by step. I'm telling you, the team that he has together on this is absolutely unbelievable. But again, this is a very limited time offer, so keep watching on everything that you're going to get. Bonus number 3, with our Choose, Ask, Build Business in a Box training, we've got you covered. This is the exact process that Ryan used to go from 0 to $24,275 a month in less than 18 months. And then $117,604 a month within 3 years with absolutely zero experience, beginning with no list, starting completely from scratch. So let's check out exactly what you're going to get in this bonus. Ryan's going to show you step-by-step how to choose your market. Next, he's going to have you ask what the market wants to buy from you. This is where it gets really interesting. By the way, this is literally a step-by-step blueprint. It's absolutely brilliant. And they're going to show you how to build the quiz funnel and generate your very first sales. You can see a bunch of testimonials. Again, you can see more information, but time is very limited on this offer. Bonus number 4, Ryan and his team will build your quiz for you. It's a $10,000 value. Wait, yep, that's right. Ryan's team's going to build your quiz for you, and this is a huge one. Simply gives Ryan's team your content, copy, and questions. and they'll handle the rest. They'll build your funnel for you inside of Bucket.io 2.0. Yep, Ryan's team is going to build the entire quiz funnel for you, including landing pages, building your own question pages, setting up your branching logic, creating your outcome pages, even setting up all your tracking and connecting everything to your email service provider. I don't know if he can make it any easier. Just imagine, what is one quiz funnel worth for your business? I mean, just imagine, what could one quiz funnel be worth for your business? I'll give you just a moment, but look at this list of success stories. Check this out. You could be next on the list. All right, so to sum all this up, here's what you can get access to. It's the Quiz Funnel Masterclass, 6-week Quiz Funnel Masterclass training, live Q&A calls, funnel reviews, step-by-step templates, private Facebook support group, the ultimate quiz swipe file, and also over $10,000 in bonuses directly from Ryan, and plus my bonuses as well. Wait till you see all the rest of my bonuses. I'm going to give you my full support and my $1,000 guarantee. Bonus number 1 from Ryan, 2.0 quiz software. That's a $4,500 value in itself. Bonus number 2, quiz traffic secrets. That's a $2,500 value. Bonus number 3, business in a box. That's a $3,500 value. Now, let me tell you about my $1,000 guarantee just for you. Extra belt bonus number 1, our $1,000 commitment to you. You're going to get yourself a one-on-one consulting call. It's a $500 value with my business partner, Nick. He's the co-founder of Black Box Social Media. He's also produced millions of dollars online, consulted thousands of clients from around the world. He can assist with the tracking, traffic, funnel, copy, tech. Nick is just a brain trust of information. This call is not a 15-minute, hey, a free consulting call. You're going to get a full one-on-one, full hour consulting call to go directly over your business, your tech, to make sure it completely aligns, especially as we start kicking it into high drive and we start talking about traffic. When you join through our link and you join through us, I am also going to be supporting you one-on-one with a full consulting call. Again, this is a $500 value, so myself and Nick combined, you're going to have 2 different support calls to support you. You're going to be able to claim these calls as soon as you want, or if you want to reserve them for later. We want to be here to support you. We've used these products. We've used these services. We've used this strategy. But wait, there's more. Ryan's not only going to build your quiz, but you have to take action right now. To sweeten the deal and entice you some more, I'm going to give you an additional extra belt bonus number 2, access to our $2,000 Stuck-at-Home online summit. Earlier this year, when the world started going a little crazy, I interviewed over 60 of the world's top online experts, and I asked them, what are you doing right now with the changing economy? What would you do if you were brand new? What would you do if you started all over and you had an intermediate skill level? Or what would you recommend to the experts right now? This program is only accessible through our Belt Method program. There's over a $2,000 investment. But when you sign up through our link, you're going to get access to these interviews. Here are just some of the people that you'll see. We have 5 of the world's top living copywriters that we interviewed. John Benson, Mike Dillard, Frank Kern. John Benson actually talks about writing copy with artificial intelligence. Justin Brooks, a copy legend. Ron Lynch, Molly Pittman, Scott Alford, Todd Brown, talking about funnels, the big idea. Tom Breeze talking about YouTube. Dr. Carrie Rose Wilson talking about how to set up courses and how to set up proper funnels that people can actually learn from. We have email marketers. We have social media marketers. We have how to message in crisis management, how to track and properly analyze, well, your entire funnel. Here's the deal. There's over 60 interviews. I don't want to give you more and more information you don't know what to do with. On our consulting calls, I want to be able to reference you to the exact experts that, well, can help your business, or can help you start from scratch, or can help give you the tools that you may be looking for right now, where, you know, some people have that story 3 feet from gold. Maybe you're only missing a small piece of information for your business really to take off. And that's why we set up these consulting calls. That's why we want to give you access to the Stuck-at-Home Summit interviews, so we can point you to the right interview for the right person at the right time for your business. Now, one of the other ways that we want to be able to support you is with our 3rd bonus. Watch this. When you join the Quiz Masterclass through our link, we're going to give you an extra belt bonus number 3, and this is the Belt Traffic Implementation Day. We're going to do a 2-hour live online training. It's a $500 value. People love doing these trainings. Now, depending on our audience, we can either do it during the weekday or during the weekend, but here's essentially what we end up doing. We all gather together, everyone who joined at the same time with the Quiz Masterclass. We're going to get together. We're going to go through your business. We're going to show you some case studies of exactly how we've set up traffic with quizzes. We're going to show you some of those results. And what we're going to do next, we want to go over your ads. We want to go over your big idea. We want to go over your strategy. We want to give our 2 cents, our insight of exactly, well, how we would run your business if we were to advertise it on Facebook. And we're also moving more into YouTube. We're moving more into Google. I can't wait to start talking to you about the different traffic sources again to help you get out your propaganda about your products and services. But again, you're only going to get access to these bonuses when you join through our link. You can go to that link right there, or you'll see a button down below. But most importantly, remember this. Everything we're talking about here comes with a 100% risk-free 14-day money-back guarantee. All Ryan asks is you complete the coursework for Module 1, Lesson 1, to show them that you at least gave it a try. If after completing the lesson, you decide that the program isn't for you, simply let them know and you'll receive a swift and full refund. It's as simple as that. As I mentioned before, time is limited. June 28th is the last day that you can sign up at midnight. Again, Ryan is taking in a lot of people right now, and it's a first come, first served basis. You do not want to wait in line. You don't want to miss anything right now. That deadline is firm. You want to make sure that you are in by June 28th because they're kicking off live classes on that Monday, June 29th, and they can only accept new students until Sunday, June 28th at midnight Pacific time. Click on the link below and get involved in Ryan's Quiz Masterclass right now. Again, you're going to grab his bonuses, you're going to grab our bonuses, but time is very, very limited. Make sure that you click on the link below. Don't let time run out. Don't miss this opportunity. This is one of those opportunities that just makes so much sense. You're going to want to do it right now. You're going to see a huge difference in your business. And again, I'm going to be here with you the entire time, supporting you with some calls, our group calls, our one-on-one calls, plus on top of that, the extra training we're going to give you as well, and the additional guidance. You're not going to want to miss this limited time opportunity, but you must act right now. I can't wait to see you on the other side.